Ladies and gentlemen, here from the hanging doorstop. This is Tony Roma. Have you ever gotten in another garage and you're noticing, well, this spring-loaded door, I got to carry stuff in and out of here, and I'm looking at a doorstop. I need a doorstop, but this thing slides. What am I going to put here that's going to hold it? And I'm going to get myself caught in the door. And with this spring loaded up here, what am I going to have? I'm going to have to measure the bottom of the door to make sure that I get the right doorstop. Wait a minute now. Someone gave me something, a doorstop, and I thought, great, why don't I make one that takes a few seconds to put on the door? Oh my God. I don't have to worry about the floor. I don't have to worry about, does it slide? It goes on easy. Well, let's look at that again. Oh, don't worry about measuring nothing. My wife can put this thing on, and hey, it keeps the door open. Holy smokes, now I can go in and out of my garage in seconds. Thank you from the hanging doorstop.